So we're closing the book on severe weather season, right? November to May, but then we open the door for tropical season. So let's talk first about what the outlook is. This is a look at from the National Hurricane Center, branch of NOAA, their outlook for the season. So what can you take away from this? Well, not a ton with respect to your forecast and how it's going to affect your next several months. Could we have an above average number of named storms? Sure. Hurricanes as well? Yeah. But as far as where these are headed, when they'll form, we just don't know a whole lot yet. Hurricane forecasting's tough, and we can look at certain things, sea surface temperature, the flow of the atmosphere, where these little short waves are, these tropical waves. We don't really know till we get into it. Here's a look at the names that have been chosen for the 2025 season. Hopefully we don't get too far down this list. That would mean it's a quieter season, and I'm sure a lot of us would pull for that in a big way. So it's June, right? We're coming into June. Where do we typically see development? Where are we looking for? Well, there's outliers, obviously. Beryl was one last year, forming late June, way out in the Atlantic. But most of the time, in June, you see development in the Gulf. You see it along the Gulf Stream. You see it out in the Atlantic. These water basins, they're a little bit warmer. You have warmer sea surface temperatures, but also you still have these, we call them synoptic systems. That's your frontal systems. Sometimes these get down in the Gulf. They stall out. What's left of the front, what's left of a surface low will sometimes linger over warm water and evolve into a tropical system. So that's what we look for this time of year. Cutoff lows off the Carolina coastline as well. Pretty common. 2014, I believe Arthur was formed that way. Couple things just to keep in mind. Fantasy storms, okay? Be careful where you get your data from. A lot of the models, the global models, you go out so many days, 180 plus hours, you're going to see models trying to form a tropical system. Have a reliable source, especially if you're down along the coast, because there's a lot of false information, unfortunately, with tropical forecasting. So we're heading into it. Hopefully it's a quiet one. Make sure to, again, have a good source. We'll keep you informed here as we head into June, July, and beyond.